Whether you collect black and white checks, black and white stripes, or maybe you like to mix them both, this piece might be a great one to add to your collection. Welcome, I'm Jeanette the Crafty Hobbit. New in my shop is this vintage wooden shiplap picture frame. It's restyled into a rustic French country picture that has a kickback stand and wall hangers so you can display it on the wall or on your mantle, a shelf, or a tabletop. The black pin striping is done in a black satin ribbon, and the frame itself is accented with a vintage aster floral that's been distressed and antiqued with a wax. The watercolor floral image can be removed and you can replace it with your own picture or photos. This frame can be displayed horizontally or vertically on the tabletop or on the wall. It's a great piece to add to French country, buffalo check, courtly check, or maybe even whimsy decor, and also chintz decor. You can grab this piece now by scanning the QR code right here in the video or using the first link in the video description, which opens an instant payment box for you, and I will ship it straight to your doorstep. If you prefer, you can take the second link in my video description, which will take you to this item over at thecraftyhobbit.com, where you'll find traditional online shopping cart checkout. Now, if you'd like to see new items that are available that hit my shop and as soon as possible, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll get a notification, new item videos when they drop. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.